Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am making a chocolate cake. I have preheated my oven to 170 degrees and lined a cake tin with grease-proof paper. I'm going to beat together my butter and golden caster sugar. I'm now going to add the rest of my ingredients in. 4 eggs, self-raising flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of milk, and beat them together. I have measured half of my cake mixture and I'm going to add it into my cake tin. I'm now going to bake this in the oven for 20 minutes. While my cakes are cooling, I am going to make my chocolate buttercream. First of all, I'm going to beat together my butter, icing sugar with a fork. I'm now going to sieve in 5 tablespoons of my cocoa powder. I'm then going to add my melted dark chocolate, which I melted earlier for 1.5 minutes in the microwave and then left on the side to cool for 5 minutes. And lastly, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of milk and mix it until it becomes smooth. I'm now going to spread a thin layer of cocoa butter. I repeated the same step over again, but I also spread the icing round the edges and I used my spatula to even out the sides and make sure it has an even coating on the top. I have now measured out 50 grams of dark chocolate. I'm going to melt this in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now my chocolate has melted, I'm going to pour it over my tray. I'm now going to take 25 grams of white chocolate and 25 grams of milk chocolate and melt them in the microwave. Now they have melted, I am going to drizzle them over the top of my dark chocolate. I'm now going to cool it in the fridge. I'm now going to break my chocolate up and place it on top of my cake. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.